Hello! We're making slime. Julia hits that, and I'll finish this truly. I don't know if I'll be able to zoom in, but...
We got glitter. Why are you so tilted?
Making slime.
Making slime.
Not driving after this for sure. Now, see, I fucked up because I didn't look how to make it.
So we're just gonna pour all this stuff together and see what happens. Ow, motherfucker, that shocked the
I
fuck
plan
out of me.
on looking up videos to see how other people do it.
But this says here, this glue plus this glue equals slime. See, this glue right here, magical liquid, does if you have this plus regular Emmer's glue, which is this, equals slime. And then we're gonna add some sparkles. You can see that. We just all got this at Walmart for like 25 bucks.
And now we're back.
Back to this.
So the whole thing and then 2 whole things?
I'm gonna, what I was planning on doing, I was gonna put 3 separate piles and then put some of this one and then some of this one so we can have like clear and then white and then kind of spread it out from there.
Sounds like a good idea.
Okay, cool.
I don't know what I was so stressed about. Julie almost just broke her arm before we made the video.
Do I have a booze?
Oh.
Oh. Ow!
Oh.
That hurt! Okay, so we laid down saran wrap, obviously, and we taped it, so...
Hopefully we don't make a big mess. Oh, I have a 6th sense.
Anyway, Elmer's magical liquid.
Julia's gonna pour, and Brody's gonna go fuck with camera settings, because we're hella white.
We are hella white. Pouring. Oh, okay. This is
ASMR. It's going bloop, blop, bloop, blop, bleep, blorp, bleep, blorp.
It's a lot thicker than...
Plop it on. See if I can get the noise. Oh, there it
don't go
goes.
off the table, please.
All right, I'm gonna go make sure we're not gonna be hella white.
Wait, it looks kind of bad. That's perfect. I don't really want to fuck with it. We're on one battery for some reason. It's like
Okay, so I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different piles.
I haven't
So
seen
do you
my
want to?
quality be that good in a while.
Do you want some white?
Yeah, putting some white in.
Which
Oh!
is-
Oh!
Hold on.
I broke the top off.
So it's just add Elmer's glue. We should have got like popsicle sticks to mix this with.
Oh, we're doing it with our hands, people. It's gonna be booty because I'm gonna need to touch stuff.
Yeah, I have to.
You wanna go find like a popsicle stick? Julie's gonna go find a mix stick. But it's okay, we're winging it here. We're doing slime because that's what's popular. Now that she's gone, we can talk about the real stuff. You know what I'm talking about. Alright, so what I'm thinking, we got glitter, little tubes of glitter too. She'll show you in the video. It's real windy, so if you hear wind and work in the background, that's why. Oh, it's a fucking stick.
Okay, so I got some white.
Ooh, whoa.
What?
You're probably gonna be the
Instant slime?
backup videoer. Yeah, you see that? Hold on, we gotta get that. Julia Cam, that's what it's gonna be called.
Okay, hold on. Get it off my... That instantly turned into slime. Damn, okay. I need to add more of this, though.
Okay, we'll just put it on the side right here.
Yeah, because I'm going to mix more.
That's insane.
That's hella cool.
No wonder people like doing this.
Okay, so this is just like...
Oh, it's one of my favorite songs.
Here.
Brought
Watch
to
how
you
this
by
instantly turns into slime. Elmer's.
Elmer's
Look at...
and
Look at...
Streamlabs OBS
Whoa. You see that? Ew, it's like a
and
big
Bang.
snot slime. Snotty slime.
Ooh, it's like mozzarella cheese when it's warm. Ooh, nerdy, stinky poo poo.
So I'm gonna add some glitters to this one and see if it still mixes in, and then I'll add it to that. Do you want to add some glitters?
Yeah, I'm about to get all handsy with it.
I'm not ready for the handsy part because I want to smoke that. I'm gonna add some green. Well,
that's what you call a Slav's girlfriend. Ew. It looks like it's radioactive. Dookie.
oh, you hear that splat?
Ew, plop. One more time. Watch, it's gonna fall. Ew. Ew, what are you gonna do with this one?
I want to try to add the glitter first to see if it mixes in better, And I need to obviously add a hell of a lot more glue.
Look at mine. Mine's all dookie right now.
I know. I think it's because we're not adding enough glue. Watch, I'm gonna take the top off. Hold on.
This is what they don't show you in the pornos. This is how they make it.
Elmer's glue.
The Elmer's glue. Oh, look at that little dog. Hey!
Your buddy comes.
Oh, she looked at me. That's all I needed. There he is. There's the one that was judging me with his eyes. He's like, what are you guys doing?
Oh no!
Not record. Not
A
talking about.
fucking ash got in there.
Oh no, what the hell was that?
I'm in to save the day.
I'm adding glitter first. A fuck ton of glitter. I added literally more than half of. Ew, get out of the camera. And now I'm gonna just take the top off. Look, my hands are getting dirty, so I'm gonna get dirty. Ready? See how that works. Woo!
Shout out Slavic Gopnik and Sad Marcus 720. Sub to their channels. You want?
Look at that! It's literally, it's like watery slime, obviously. Like, that's so
Watery
weird.
slime in it. Watery slime! Oh!
So,
Oh shit. She's plopping.
oh.
Alright, we're gonna get handsy. Should I get some napkins real quick?
Yeah, definitely, because this is so wet.
We made slime, motherfucker.
Buddy, stop that. What is wrong with you?
Hello. Can I have silver?
Ooh, I want to do the white one.
Oh look, the little fucking snot worms over here. Ugh. So I'm gonna put this
These
first.
don't really look white. Oh,
Check that out. Long pour. Fortnite, Minecraft, 720
Jesus,
PewDiePie.
those- Okay, anyway.
Just silver. Now we mix it.
Ew! Ew! You gotta get that silver in there. Sliming. Sliming. Get that silver in there or what?
That did kind of turn out better.
Ew.
Okay. I'm gonna try with the white clear glue. Still Elmer's, but I put silver, or I put white and blue glitter in mine.
We clicked it. Ooh.
Oh, it looks so cool. Hands?
Oh, is that like a clear one?
It is the clear one.
Yo, clear one. That looks hella cool. Julie's probably gonna have a way better camera angles than me. Damn. Clapping it, Owen. Give me a clap. Just pick it up and drop it. Ew!
Oh, I like this one.
Oh, she got a good one. And then there's mine. One looks like a chicken leg.
It's like chunky though. Feel it. Feel it. Here. Ready? Flop it in your hand.
Flopping it. Ew, plop. Ew.
Look at this. Rolling. Oh, you just mixed it with yours.
Oh no! Oh, this is yours. Fuck. I didn't even get that. It was like right there. Making slime.
Webbed fingers or what?
Ew.